Abbey and I'm the Children's Services Manager at the main library. Welcome to my kitchen. I am so excited because today is May the 4th. And as you can see from all this Star Wars stuff, we are celebrating May the 4th be with you. So today we are going to make a simple hologram viewer. And you can use this with your smartphone or your tablet. And this will allow you to see 3D type holograms. You can easily search for hologram videos on YouTube, and if you search Star Wars hologram videos, you'll find a whole bunch that you can check out and use your hologram viewer. So a hologram is a 3D image, and it's created with photographic projection. So does anybody know what that's used for? In Star Wars movies, holograms are used a lot. They're used to show pictures of if you have bounties on any bad guys, they use holograms to show you the bad guys. It's sort of like FaceTime and for calling people. So Star Wars uses holograms a lot. And it takes, when we have a hologram, it takes a two-dimensional image and makes it into a three-dimensional image by reflecting it. So we are going to make a simple reflector. It looks like this. And you'll be able to look at your hologram from different angles in a dark room. And it's so cool. So we just have a couple of supplies that we need. We've got a plastic container. I think this was from croissants. I've been eating way too many croissants since we have been closed, but that's another story. We've got scissors. I think this says fabric only, but we're lawless right now, so we're going to use it to cut plastic. We've got a template here, so we're going to trace this this shape. We're going to trace it 4 times. And then we're going to use our tape to tape it together. So I am going to start by tracing it. So I have my shape right here. So I'm going to trace it 4 times. And I'm going to trace it along where there's an edge so I do not have to worry about cutting that straight edge here. So we're going to do this 4 times, and we can flip it over just like so. And then flip it over again. And one more time. So I'm going to take my very sharp scissors and cut my shapes out. So we've got our shapes cut out and we are going to assemble them together. Whoops, forgot, gotta do one more here. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna make sure, the important part is to make sure all of the tops line up just like so. So we're gonna take little bits of tape and little bits of tape. You can also glue these if you like. I don't have a glue gun handy and tape works. Tape works all right. And we're gonna bend this final one around. Just like so. So now it looks like a little pyramid, just like that. So we've got our pyramid, and now we can find some hologram videos on YouTube and see what it looks like. So here we've got a hologram video. We've got our TIE fighter here. So we've got a 3D image that is made from 4 two-dimensional images. So enjoy your hologram viewer, guys. Have fun, and may the 4th be with you.